Welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn standard 2nd subject environmental education. Dear students, today we are going to start our chapter number 8, that is neighbors and neighborhood. Dear students, you are already learned about family. Family means a group of people who are living together, which includes our parents and their children. And in family all members have love, affection and care for each others. Now whenever there are many families living near and around us, they are our neighbors. There are many families living near or around us, they are our neighbors. And the area and the place around our house make up our neighborhood. Children in neighborhood play together. Dear students, you are also play with your friends who are living your neighborhood. Good neighbors makes a good neighborhood. Whenever we help and share things with our neighbors, then our neighbor also help us whenever we are in need. So, for making good neighborhood, we have to help and share things with our neighbors. We should grow more trees in our neighborhood. So, we plant trees in our neighborhood area, grow them. Take proper care of trees, give water and manure time to time. We should keep our neighborhood clean and green. So, we must separate dry garbage and wet garbage. We throw wet garbage in wet dustbin and dry garbage in dry dustbin. Now, we will see the places around our neighborhood. Our first place is the market. Market is the neighborhood has many shops. We buy things of daily use from these shops. In market there are so many shops, and whenever we want to buy something, we go to market and purchase from the shop. So market is very. Dear students, you are in market and you have to purchase vegetables and fruits. Then which shop you will go? Yes, whenever you want to buy vegetables and fruits, then you go in greengrocer's shop. The vegetables and fruits are available in greengrocer's shop. Whenever you need some flowers, then the flowers are available in florist shop. So you go in florist shop and purchase that. Suppose I want to eat some cakes and cookies. Then cakes and cookies are available in bakery. We buy medicines from chemist, and in also chemist shop we also buy toothpaste, shampoo, soap, etc. We buy food grains and pulses from grocer's shop. We also buy ready to eat product and spices from here. Supermarket or departmental stores sells various items at one big place. Here we can find so many little shops, and various items are available in one place. In a shopping mall, there are many stores selling different products. Here you can see a clothing shop, toy shop, kitchen appliances shop, bookstore, supermarket. All things are available in one place. All places we are learning, all shops, they are the part of market. So market is very important neighborhood place. Our next important place is clinics and hospitals. Whenever people in neighborhood need the service of doctor, whenever they have minor illness like fever, cough, cold, then they get treated by doctors at clinic. Then we go to clinic and doctors treated us. They gives us medicines, injections. But when we need a special care, we are admitted, then we go to hospital. In hospital there are nurses, attendants, doctors to take care of the patient. An ambulance takes patient to the hospital. In case of an emergency, it has flashing blue light and a siren on it. Whenever you are on road, that time you heard that ambulance is flashing blue light and their siren is on, means that time a critical condition patient is in ambulance. So ambulance is flashing blue light and their siren is on. Our next neighborhood place is fire station. Whenever there is a fire in our neighborhood, then we call fire station. And in the fire station there is a fire engines. These are big red color vans with bells and ladders. And there are water houses are kept readiness. The firemen with the help of fire engines put out the fire and save our peoples and their belongings from getting burned. So fire station is very important place in our neighborhood. Our next neighborhood place is a police station. The neighborhood also has a police station. The policeman maintain law and order and catch thief. So we must report to the police if our valuable things have been stolen. In festival period, the policemen working for 24 hours and maintaining law and order. If our valuable things are stolen, then they catching the thieves. So they are protecting and guarding us. So police station is a very important neighborhood place. Next is traffic policeman or policewoman. Traffic policeman or traffic policewoman control the movements of vehicle and peoples on road. Traffic policeman gives the directions to the vehicles in traffic and also gives the peoples who are crossing the roads. So police station is very important neighborhood place. Our next important neighborhood place is bank. We keep our money and valuable things in bank. We deposit our money with the bank and withdraw the money by check and use ATM machine and debit card when we need it. Bank is very important place for keeping our valuable things and money. Whenever we need, then we withdraw our money by ATM, by check or by debit card. So the bank is very important neighborhood place. Whenever we are having some emergency, then for police station you have to dial 100 number to call the police. Then dial 101 number for fire brigade. If there is a fire, then you are call 101 number. Then dial 102 number for ambulance and 108 for government ambulance. This government ambulance is free of cost. So if you have any emergency regarding police, fire brigade, ambulance, then you have call 100, 101, 102 and 108. So in this way we are completing our chapter. Now we will solve the exercise. Question number 1. Name the places you would go to if first your valuable are stolen. Then you are go in police station. Answer is police station. Second, you have fever. Then you are go in clinic. So answer is clinic. Number 3, you are need to withdraw money. Then you go in bank. Answer is bank. Number 4, you want to buy a box of crayons. Then you go in shop. Answer is shop. Question number 2, join the item to the correct store. First is chemist. We purchase medicines from chemist. Then cloth store. Here we are purchasing clothes from cloth store. Then florist. We buy flowers from florist. Stationery. Here is stationery. Bakers. We buy cakes and cookies from bakery. Greengrocers. We buy vegetables and fruits from greengrocer's shop. Question number 3, fill in the blanks, choosing the correct word from the list. First, firemen come in a dash dash to put out the fire. Answer is fire brigade. Firemen come in a fire brigade to put out the fire. Number 2, dash dash help doctors in hospital. Answer is nurse help doctors in hospitals. Number 3. The policeman guard us from dash dash. Answer is thieves. The policeman guards us from thieves. Number 4. We buy medicines from a dash dash. Answer is chemist. We buy medicines from chemist. In this way we are completing this chapter. You have to revise again and again. Thank you.